Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Snapchat error sport code SS07. So if you try to put your username and after that you put your password and you try to log in into your Snapchat account and you see this kind of error as Snapchat sport code SS07. So how you can fix that? So there is also written devices with high number of accounts. So if you want to fix that, then how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next, and you have to simply open the browser, which may be Safari or anything. So you have to simply search for Snapchat Sport, and here you have to simply open the Snapchat Sport. And after opening the Snapchat Sport, you can simply click on I can't access my account, and after that you have to click on I see an error message when I log in. So here you will find all of the errors you will find while logging into your Snapchat account. So you have to simply select device band SS06 or SS07. So here is written error code SS18 and SS both means Snapchat has banned device you are using. So if you are having SS18 and SS06, then Snapchat Sport cannot unban you. If you are having SS07 code when trying to log in, this means your device has been banned from logging into Snapchat because too many accounts have been associated with it. So if you want to use the Snapchat, then you have to simply remove any of other accounts associated with your device, which means you can simply remove any of the device. So you have to simply use a single account on this simple one device. So you have to make sure about that. And after that, if your Snapchat is locked because of the SS07, then you have to simply remove any extra account so that you can simply use Snapchat thoroughly. So hope you have liked this. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.